There are a few steps to convert a set of data so that you can use it in FileMaker. We're going to use an Excel file and step you through the entire process. Open FileMaker and go to the File menu. Choose Open. In the window where the file to be converted is, change the selector at the bottom to All Available and then double-click on the Excel file. The next window is where you name the new FileMaker file. The default name will be the name of the Excel file plus the word converted and then the .fmp12 suffix. Change the name to something that is short and meaningful. In this case we are calling it insurance.fmp12. The next step is critical. On the far left you will see a column of data. Usually that is the first row but not always. If necessary, use the right arrow key to find the row that has the data and change the selector above from data to use as field names. This will import the data using those values as the field names instead of F1, F2, etc. Click Open and you're done.